How to temporarily deactivate Instagram account in 2024 with the latest app update of Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can easily temporarily deactivate Instagram account in 2024. So guys, before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have liked the video and hit that subscribe button. So let's get started. So first of all, you will have to open Instagram application. Then tap on your profile on the bottom right and tap on three lines on the top right. And once you are on this page, you will have to click on settings and privacy. And then tap on account center on the top. And then you'll have to click on personal details and tap on account ownership and control. Now once you are on this page, you'll have to click on deactivation or deletion and tap on the specific profile that you want to delete or deactivate. Now the first option is deactivate. You will have to tap on it, and then it says that it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it. So it means you are not permanently deleting your account. You'll have to click on continue. Then they will ask you about your password and it will be confirmed. Your account deactivation will be confirmed. So that's how you can easily deactivate your Instagram account in 2024. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have